Today I will explain CT-400 gun control. CT-400 remote is 4ch. It is also suitable for cars, boats, tanks and modified cars. Its advantage is that it can be controlled with one hand. Let us first introduce its basic functions. CHE controller action. CHR controls the throttle, front, rear and brake. The top two buttons on the panel are fan adjustment of traction and fan adjustment of throttle respectively. Below are the positive and negative setting switches of CHE and CHR. Below are the CH3 and CH4 buttons. CH3 and CH4 can only select one channel for simultaneous use. CH3 PWM signal. CH is used as a power signal to control lights or trawl hooks. There are two lights below the button. The left one is the power indicator, the right one is the hybrid control indicator. Below is the power switch. The linear distance used by the remote control is 400 到500 m. Let us talk about two receivers of CT-400 transmitter. One is a general-purpose 3H4 receiver. This receiver is versatile. Insert the corresponding functional servo as required. The other is a 3+1 receiver with lighting control function, used in the car to control the lights on and off, or use it on the dragnet boat to control the dragnet. Sanjai receiver is also very simple to use. After the code is coded, connect the car lights to CH3. Tap CH4 of the transmitter, then you can see the lights are on and off. CH3 and CH4 can only select one channel to use CH3 PWM signal. CH4 power signal is mainly used to control lights or trawl hooks.